Hey friends, this is VTHO here. Well, and welcome to the update on VeThor. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, we had a very powerful pump of VeThor, but the price line was rejected by an up trend line resistance. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this rejection by this up trend line resistance, by the way, this is a quite long-term up trend line resistance that is coming from the month of May 2022. You can see that we got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and rejection here. And after this rejection, we broke down this very long-term support zone that starts from $0.005 and goes to $0.0045. That was previously breaking as a support zone here for a few weeks and support here, resistance here. And now after this breakdown, it can again work as a resistance. By the way, here it was also working as a resistance as well. Recently, the price line broke down this long-term support of $0.002. And if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that it has recovered back and it has again broken it out for almost 3 or 4 days. It has been moving below this support. And on the 7 days time frame chart, it is still trying to break out this resistance. We broke down this support in the previous week, and now it is trying to break it out once again. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2025. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for ASR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 20th of March 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. This was a very powerful pump, by the way. Now, let me take you to the live chart of VeThor. And first of all, I'm going to show you this daily time frame. And here you can see that for several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And I was telling you that once VeThor will break it out, then technical target will be here at the top of the channel at $0.007. But you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target, but could not break out this up trend line resistance. And this is a quite long-term resistance that was coming from the month of May 2022 when it was moving inside this huge wedge. At that time, we got rejection here by this resistance. Here, by the way, this was the first rejection. Then we got another rejection here, another rejection here in the month of Feb 2024, and this was the last and recent rejection that has happened here in the month of January 2025. And now we are moving at this support of $0.002. In fact, on the 7-day time frame chart, we broke it down, and now we are trying to break it out once again. However, in the daily time frame chart, we have again broken it out, and now there is a probability that we may soon hit this next resistance here at $0.003. But in case of breaking down this support once again, because you can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we still did not break it out once again. We still are trying to break it out. And in case of dropping down to the next support, then it can drop down here at this next support of $0.00133. That was previously working as a support here, resistance here, and support here as well. And by the way, let's take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this wedge. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very massive rally from this low to here. It was overall almost a more than 1,300% rally. And the technical target for this breakout, that move is still due. That target is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.